Hello guys. So today I am going to tell you about free security camera from Reolink. This here you are hearing that this is absolutely free because this is the lockdown time, and in this time every big brand, every company, and even normal people are helping the needy people. So in this time, Reolink is in also action. So now I am going to tell you. You can see Reolink in action. The COVID 19 continues to spread around the world, creating uncertainty and concern. In such challenging times, as a part of community, we shall do our part to provide as much support as we can. So you can see there is an image of the security camera that Reolink is providing to the needy people, people who are living alone. Um, they have no any support, so you can read here and describe free camps for non-profits and older adults living alone. The elderly living alone, retirement communities, or child care centers may face greater challenges during the coronavirus outbreak. So you can see uh, who are focused here. The elderly living alone, elder people who are living alone, retirement communities, retired people, or child care centers, the center who care for childs may face greater challenges. मतलब this free deal especially for these type of people. Our indoor cameras can make it easier for their families, operators, or volunteers to stay in the known to stay in the know from anywhere. So if you are a non-profit contact person or family of older adults living alone, then you can apply for this deal. Means if there are anyone adult in who are living alone in your contact, or any non-profit center, then they can apply for this free deal. So now I'm going to tell you how the person can apply. You have to click on apply now. After clicking on apply now, just go to the below area and you will see here submit your application. And then they will ask you are non-profit contact person or family of older adult living alone. Then you can choose whatever the condition is with you. If there are your parents who are living alone, or anyone about them then you can tell them about this and you can do this for them. So I'm choosing here a family of older adult living alone because my parents are living alone, so I'm going to book it for my parents. So here are asking contact information. We collect your information for contact and identity verification only. So here you have to give your name, email address, and you have to choose your country. So I'm going to show you for what countries this seal is available. So they are United States, Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Czech Republic, Germany, Denmark, Estonia, Spain, Finland, France, UK, Greece, Croatia, Hungary, Republic of Ireland, Italy, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Latvia, Malta, Netherlands, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Sweden, Slovenia, Slovakia, United States. So these all are countries. If you belong to any of these countries, then you can apply for this deal. If you or your contact a person for whom you are applying, uh, if anyone belong to this city, then uh, uh, it is very easy. It is possible to apply for this deal. So in this way the deal could be done and you can get free security camera. So guys, hope you like this video. I will meet you in my next video with some other free deals. Till then, okay, bye bye.